I think authorities are very much focused on the weak data that's coming out after Q1, but they're also very conscious that they want growth to be as organic as possible. So there is that balancing act there. And I think the policies that we're likely to see is probably more wholesome, more all-encompassing. So we're likely to see more measures for the property sector, especially so far they've been focused on supporting the first and second home buyers. We think that would extend to more. We think mortgage restrictions will be eased. Down payments will probably be lowered as well. So those will be on the property side. But we do think that the authorities will finally go back to really increasing support for infrastructure spending, something that we think that they would hold the fire on for so long. But I think at this stage it's probably quite necessary.
Will this be enough to offset what have become major demographic challenges when you look at who's buying those houses and how people are consuming now in China? And we've seen just in the last couple of weeks, marriage rates are down. China's trying to get people to have more babies. You've got these social phenomenons of people quiet quitting and giving up in the big cities. So how do you really empower people in China to feel good long term in terms of their expectations on jobs and income?
So I think the key here is really to pivot the economy away from relying on the property sector. Like you said, the property sector, property demand, at least by our estimates, are expected to decline from about 12 million per year to about 5 or 6 million per year in 10 or 15 years. So that's a meaningful decline because of demographic changes, because of urbanization changes. So really, the long-term trend for the property sector is on a decline, and I think households are probably better placed if more alternative investments products are in place for them to invest their savings on. Obviously, China has a very high savings rate. Unlocking that to channel that into consumption, that would be kind of the longer term solution, so to speak. But obviously, that's a multi-year trend, multi-year phenomenon that the government is looking at. I think in the near term, all we're looking at is cyclical headwinds that's likely to push growth lower.